good, guys? It's jacobcrypobury here. I hope you're doing fantastic. Today we're going to check out Terra Luna, and this is one of my favorite altcoins, and it really trades in a very exciting kind of range. So we can see Bitcoin is up 0.9% on the weekly market capitalization, sitting at 771 billion right now. So we did get that capitulation down to 38.9k, but we saw that quick bounce from the tax season, and the over leveraged long positions were clearly wiped out in the market, and now we're back at that 40.5k level. Bit of news as well: Goldman Sachs to collaborate with FTX to expand portfolio of crypto services. This means America's top investment bank, Goldman Sachs, and one of the largest exchanges of crypto derivatives, FTX, reportedly engaged in discussions to collaborate to offer new services to customers within the USA while eyeing the potential public listing of the firm, founded by Sam Bankman-Fried. A bit more information that we've got here today. US investors 46 billion by trading crypto in 2021. So USA has become the global leader in terms of realized crypto gains in 2021, as revealed by research from the blockchain data analytics firm Chainalysis. So pretty cool to see that as well. So extremely bullish. It looks like we're just stuck in this accumulation phase. Of course, we're seeing more fear, but the good thing is that this time last year we had the same level of fear, but we had a much lower average price across the 200-day AMA and the 20-day SMA as well. So really important to consider these particular things. Before we look at the Terra Luna analysis, we can see that we're sitting at rank 8 at the moment with a $33.9 billion market capitalization, $2 billion trading volume. So lots of eyes on Luna at the moment. And something so interesting about Luna is that it always bounces off the 200-day moving average. We haven't come through the 200-day moving average once since we started looking at this project. You can see Q1 was massive. We saw a 27x, 2,761% gains. Q3, Q4 also seeing some big gains. So leading into 2022, we're asking ourselves, is this still a good investment? To be honest, I think it actually is. And the reason is, when we're looking at what's going on in the market, we can see the first major correction we had pulled us down about 56%, and that's just this very minute correction around in this particular range here. And we've seen another correction for Terra Luna. It took us down to a key support level at around $76. So we're looking at a 35% correction there, a 58% correction here. And the last time we had a major correction was also a long time ago in May 2021, and this was around a 80% correction. So we had 80% correction, 58% correction. We've now moved to a 35% correction. So the corrections are diminishing each time, and it does seem like we're getting a stronger bounce back for this particular project. Now, what's very interesting, we've never come below the white line, which is a 200-day moving average for Terra Luna. Instead, what's happened is we've found support on a particular Fibonacci level perfectly at the 618 golden pocket Fibonacci. So tell me without telling me, like, that was not meant to be. That is absolutely incredible. We bounce off the bull market support band for Terra Luna, big green daily candle right here, and we're back above the 20-day moving average. So what this tells me is that we might potentially be chasing and moving our way up to the next resistance at $104. If we do come say hello to $120 over here, we'll be in price discovery, which makes me think, well, you know, what could the pragmatic targets be? $130, $136, $145. There we go. I've just told them right there. Write them down on a piece of paper, because mark my words, they're probably gonna happen very soon, assuming we aren't in a rising wedge position. And well, we need to ask ourselves, you know, are we in a rising wedge trading pattern right now? Maybe it's possible that we are. It does look a bit rising wedgy, so things do look fantastically strong for Terra Luna, but we are in this rising wedge appearance. As you see, support, resistance, and usually these rising wedge are pretty bearish patterns. On the RSI, we can see that we do have a bit of a bearish divergence from the 26th December to 5th of April. We can see these two highs higher than the lows on the RSI. The RSI is coming down, but it's not really a major thing to worry about. 4-hour time frame, again, not seeing any bearish divergence over here. It does actually look pretty good, and I think the MACD doesn't want to tell us anything right now. It's just completely hiding from me. It doesn't look very good, so we'll ignore the MACD on this particular project. But what's going on is we're just getting this consolidation at this particular $95 range over here, and we had a bit of capitulation down to $89. So volatile yet so steady. It's a crazy project. Hourly time frame, again, putting through the higher high, and hopefully we can just get a breakout to the upside here as we trade through this kind of symmetrical triangle that we've got going on this particular hourly time frame. So if we can break up and through the $97 resistance, I do expect us to carry forward to $104. But if we do get rejected at this $92 level support, then it's very possible that we'll come down to around the $88 price level. So yeah, very, very interesting what can happen here with Luna. I think it's always important to zoom out, look at the weekly time frame, and you can sort of forecast what do we think is going to happen. Well, we've had a massive weekly green candle. It looks very good. We're not overbought on the RSI, and things do look relatively healthy right now for Terra Luna. Bounce off that EMA looks great, you know, straight off the bull market support band. If we can just rise through 104, rise through $119, that's when we're going to see the big pumps for this particular project. I think it is unlikely that we'll get a big pullback and actually lose the support at $76 from all of the consolidation that we actually had in this particular phase here from 28th of February to 27th of March. You know, we had 30 days just trading along the $95 level. So we're back at that kind of key sticky point, if you want to call it like a sticking point, where we need to get through. This is really what we need, is getting through $95 back over 100 and then seeing the continuation to the upside. So yeah, bullish points, well, we're bouncing off the 200 EMA really nicely. Huge weekly candle, nice bounce off of the bull market support band. The bearish scenarios, well, we are in a rising wedge, as you can see here, higher highs as well as the higher lows, which does look nice, but we are in a rising wedge, and that's one thing to consider. So make sure you do your own research for this particular project. If you want to grab some Luna today, you can use my link down in the description below to take you to the best, most efficient place to grab some crypto today. If you're also new here, make sure you hop into the Discord channel, come say hello. We've got like 200 people in here at the moment, all very much like-minded, awesome people. And if you want to also become a patron to the channel, just a price for coffee, guys. You don't want to miss out on the trading signals, as well as those extra listings on giveaways, one-on-one messaging, and a free ebook. That's literally just the price of a coffee to begin with. So thanks very much, guys. Hopefully we can have another look at another coin very soon. Leave some suggestions, because this is actually a coin suggested by one of my amazing subscribers. So I thought I'd do a quick update for you. You know who you are, and thank you for the support. Subscribe, like, comment. See you in the next one. Bye now, guys.